All right, guys, what's up? What's growing on and what's ripening here? And what's ripening today is a yellow Jaboticaba that's been planted in front of my house, the north side of my house, in deep shade, hardly any sun, even dappled light because it's this close to the house. Made it through an extremely cold winter here 2 years ago, and today is covered in fruit. So that's what's up. That's what's ripening. These yellow ones are pretty unbelievable. They're actually kind of fuzzy. Yo, Ian, why don't you come over here and see if you can help me find a ripe one, dude? I'm gonna see if we can find some ripe ones on here, but the foliage on this tree is absolutely beautiful. The fruits are this beautiful yellow color, and from what I understand is there's not a lot of flesh on here. It's or pretty much mostly seed with the yellow Jaboticaba. Oh, dude, you got one? You got one?
I think so.
It's you again, dude. Oh. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Legit?
Really sweet. Kind of like apricot-y almost.
Apricot-y? Nice.
These are really good.
Oh.
But yeah, not a lot of flesh, a lot of seed, but the flavor makes up for the lack of flesh.
Ooh. So I've always thought these things had absolutely beautiful new growth. You got another one there? What are you working with? What are you working with? You got one for the boss over here? Come on. Oh, he hooked me up. So, yellow Jaboticaba. Is this the first time we fruited this here, bro?
Yeah.
I think this is our first time fruiting this one. That's definitely camera worthy. It is. It's more tropical. Way more tropical.
Yeah.
Good call on the apricot, E.
Yeah, it had like an apricot taste, right?
Not a lot of flesh. That would be my only complaint. Sweetness is unbelievable. Flavor is unbelievable. A little citrusy, a little apricot-y.
Beautiful tree too.
A fat seed, so yeah. I'm gonna suck that flesh off of there and plant this thing. Let me get you some of that B-roll. Hold on. All right, you know you had a good, sweet, juicy Jaboticaba when you got to clean the juice off the lens before you could finish the video. So not a very information-dense packed video here. Really just wanted to show you guys Zone 9B, 20 miles north of Tampa, yellow Jaboticaba, thriving on neglect, deep shade. Took 24 degrees for 6 hours, and it's fruiting here on the front of my house. So that's what I'm excited about. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and do so. Most importantly, pound dirt.